What's the meaning of acrobatics? Acrobatics. 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 Acrobatics refers to a physical performance that involves agility, balance, coordination, and dexterity. Typically, acrobatic movements involve twists, flips, and other complex maneuvers that require considerable physical control and skill. The result of a successful acrobatic performance is an impressive display of athleticism, grace, and awe-inspiring feats that amaze and entertain audiences. Acrobatic performances can be found in a variety of contexts, including circuses, gymnastics competitions, and various types of stage performances. Overall, acrobatics is an exciting and visually stunning art form that requires tremendous physical ability and training to master.